Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is my 2024 Audi RS3, and in this video we're going to be installing the Unitronic Midpipes, which deletes the secondary cats. We're going to get a few more little exhaust clips just so we can compare the before and after, but I'm hoping it'll kind of wake up this 5-cylinder a little bit, make it sound a little bit better. Just so you guys know how the box fits in the trunk. Barely fits in this little trunk. Fits in there just barely. So I didn't have to fold down the seats or anything, so that's good. But it's from Unitronic, you guys can see there. Cruising in the car right now. So this is stock exhaust. Let me turn down our fan speed a little bit here. I have it on auto. Alright, so this is stock exhaust. This is in just auto mode, so let's go and get on it just a little bit. Nice little shift sound, and we got an Amazon truck pulling out in front of us. Nice little shift sound, some good little exhaust note. Now let's do that same thing but in RS performance mode. So there we go, we're in RS Performance, just so you guys can get some interior sound clips as well. A little bit more dramatic in RS Performance mode. Sounds really good, but I can't wait to open it up a little bit more. Let's test out some paddles here. Sounds good. It's definitely louder than the Golf R, stock for stock, but I'm really excited to get these mid-pipes on. I'll get you guys some outdoor clips too, maybe like one drive off and a few revs in the different modes, and yeah, we'll get on to installing the mid-pipes. Actually, we're getting on the freeway, so let's do one last little pull here. There we go. Shifters are like instant. That's really nice. And that wasn't me going full throttle, that was just me getting on and off. Alright guys, made it to our exhaust testing area here. I'm gonna set you guys up back here. Hopefully the wind doesn't ruin the audio because it's a little bit windy out here. But we're gonna do some revs in the comfort mode. I know this wind's gonna mess up the audio, but we're gonna do some revs in comfort, RS and RS performance. So closed valve and open valve. Hopefully that gave you a good taste between stock, valves closed, and valves open. Now I'm going to do one takeoff with just the valves open. We don't need to hear the quiet one right now. This isn't like a full comprehensive video. So I'm just going to take off once with the exhaust valve open so you guys can hear what it sounds like, and then we're going to see what the Unitronic sounds like afterwards. All right, guys, we are in the car now. We're gonna do some interior clips just so you can hear how it sounds from the inside as well. So right now, valves are closed. This is just driving normally, like if you're going on your daily commute. You probably can't even hear it. You can barely hear anything, so it's still very livable on a daily basis. Disc accelerating normal, and can't really hear much. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Just sounds like normal. All right, so now let's go into valves open mode. So in my individual mode, I have it set up to where the valves are open, even if it's in S or drive. But we're in S right now. Definitely a lot louder, sounds a lot better. Downshifts aren't super loud. Alright, so once this light turns green, we're going to do a little slight takeoff just so you guys can see what it sounds like in the valves open. Alright guys, I'm going to take off just kind of briskly here. There we go. Alright guys, well I hope this video gave you a good in-depth look into how the Unitronic Midpipes sound on an 8Y RS3. I do recommend this mod. It's super easy to install. I had to have a shop do it because I couldn't fit under the car, but the mod itself is pretty easy to install as long as you can get the car up high enough. It does a good job with the sound. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.